Hey, Jack here. 2012 Grand Cherokee Overland V6. 178,000 miles in my vehicle. I've had to do some repairs, but it's been really good to me because I've been really hard on it. And today I'm going to replace the radiator fan. Now, I couldn't find videos on this online because everyone that posted videos are basically doing, pulling off the whole front of the vehicle to replace the entire radiator or the condenser, and they're doing the fan at the same time. So this is specifically just replacing the radiator fan. My question was, and I couldn't find the answer to it in a video, was can I do that without obviously taking apart the whole front of the vehicle? So as you can see, I've got the throttle body exposed. I've taken the upper intake off, and from there, it's really as simple as undoing this electrical connector, pressing on that piece of plastic there with a screwdriver. It's only on one side, slipping that off. That's the only thing connecting it to the vehicle, other than, you can see the 4 prongs. That's what mounts it to the vehicle. And you can see here, you press in this plastic piece here, and then the radiator slips out. Okay, so on both sides, that's the case. You press in a piece of plastic, and then you kind of pull the radiator up and out after you have taken this piece off. Let me kind of step back here and see if you can get a better view of it. This slides up in there like that, and you can see right there's a mounting hole, and one over here. There's one right there. And that literally, those 2 1/4" or probably 6.5 millimeter bolts. It kind of snaps in place. So I snapped it off, and between that and those 2 plastic pieces that kind of lock the prongs on the side of the radiator fan in, that is what's holding your fan in. It's that easy of a switch. So really, if I hadn't been doing this video, I could probably do this all in 20 minutes. I'm praying that it is the solution to my issue. I've been having the truck overheat. If you're wondering what the huffing and puffing is, that's my bulldog. He's an elderly bulldog. He's pretty loud, as you can see. So issues I've been having, my truck will be running warm. In the 220s, it's fine. And then, after about 20 minutes of driving, it'll start shooting up to, in the 230s, and, hit 240s, and get up towards 250, and then it'll kick back down. Sometimes it's even overheated, and I've pulled over, and when I'm looking at it, even when it's totally overheated, and I pull over with the vehicle off with the electric on, and it shouldn't even matter because the fan's hooked up directly to the battery. The fan should be running, and the fan's not been running. So I did replace a couple thermostats. I jacked the vehicle up and burped the system, thinking if it was an airlock, jacked up, it would, the air would come out. I replaced the relays for the high speed and low speed fan. I checked the fuses. There's a 60 amp and a 20 amp fuse for the high speed, low speed. And so this was the next step. There's also a sensor, a coolant sensor that's on the back side of the engine back there. It's on the side of the engine, but it's all the way in the back, and there's quite a bit of stuff to get through back here to get to it. So it's only a $28 part, but like I say, it's a struggle to get to it, and I'm trying to avoid that. So I did spend like $105 with taxes and delivery to get a new fan. And this, what I've just described to you is the process for replacing the fan. Very quick fix, and hopefully, or just wasted $100, and I got a new fan out of it. But that's the deal. So you don't have to wonder. It's pretty simple. Good day. Good luck.